Ladies and gentlemen, smoking cigar with Howlinblind Buddy Slim. It is Friday. This is going to be a very short clip because I'm going to stick it in another video. Probably I'm going to do Sunday. August the 21st of 2009. I make no bones about it. One of my favorite cigars is the Partagas Black. And they usually come in about a 54 ring. And I was smoking a Partagas Black Magnifico the other day, a little over 6 inches and long and a 54 ring. And my new favorite size is the 6-inch by 60 ring. Partagas Black doesn't make one of those. Yes, they do. It's called the Gigante, new size. Ladies and gentlemen, Partagas Black Gigante 6 by 60. That means it's, okay, an inch is 64. A full inch is 64. That right there is going to be a beautiful, lush, sweet cigar. I will light it up, and I'll probably do one Sunday, but if I don't do one Sunday, I'll definitely tell you how this one was. All right, back to what you were doing. Partagas Black, new size, the Gigante, 20 beautiful cigars in a box. I'm going to go uncellophane these and put them in my humidor right now. See you Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.